I love these two oils, but I think I'm gonna use this one today. I always pump out too much. It smells so good. For perfume, I'm feeling Jo Malone's Wood Sage and Sea Salt. Just want a little bit. Almost forgot about the lip. I'm using Roman's Glassy Melting Balm number 5 Nougat Sand, and it's super natural. It has the perfect sheen. Okay, let's open a little package together. I'm super excited about this one. I waited a while for this because I ordered it on, I think it was Black Friday weekend. Yeah, so it took a bit to get here, but I waited patiently and I'm so happy about it. This is so cute. Oh my god. So I got the Calpac Luca Duffel and it's in the color Rose Quartz. All the colors were really pretty, but I felt like this color was the most to me. One of the main reasons I wanted to get this was for this little trolley sleeve. I just carried around bigger bags with my carry-on luggage and it would always fall off when I'm like trying to push it around. I just slide it on my handle. Originally I wanted the beige bag, one that everyone probably knows about. I was reading the reviews and I heard it gets really uncomfortable to carry around because there's like a weird structure to it. I don't really know. There was just like a lot of mixed reviews, even though it's really popular. I decided to go with this one because my sister actually has this and I really liked it every time I saw it in person. Because it was on sale, I decided it was my time to get it. It looks small through the camera. There's just so much space. Like, that's so cute. There's a crossbody strap as well. Their exterior features are soft puffy exterior, zippered front pocket, side shoe compartment, luggage trolley sleeve with a hidden pocket, removable crossbody strap, and then the interior features water resistant lining, multiple pockets. I'm actually going to Philly this weekend. I'll be away from Friday to Monday, so perfect timing to use this bag. Looking for a birthday card and they have so many cute options. Some of these are Christmas cards, so I don't know. I got this one for JJ. It was so cute, the one on the left. There's way too many cute cards. I don't know what to choose.
spending that money.
On our way to Christmas Village before we get dinner with our friends. Last time we went, we came around this time, but I was dying, or I was stressed with finals.
Oh yeah.
And
not me though.
Now I can enjoy it without stressing about anything.
Stress free.
Let's see you.
You're gonna be on the next page.
Oh. You. When's that happening?
Huh?
When's that happening? Not the nervous chuckle.
Phony.
There's way too many people here. It was still fun, I guess. Do you think you know what it is?
You're telling me it's not a fragrance?
No.
It's literally
No, you'll see what it is.
really strong, bro. I thought you changed your cologne, actually. I smell it. Sniff. Whoa. That's gotta be like. I smell it.
I don't know.
Oh, it's something bad fancy.
Yeah! It's the big night.
Travis Scott. Woo!
Excited.
We going together, and I'm sweating because.
Yeah, he's sweating because he just
But
came
it's
back
okay.
from the gym.
I just...
And decided a 30-day challenge is the way forward. I want to commit spending 15 minutes every day over the next 4 weeks to I feel called to do so because I just kind of went for it the first few days, going where my impulses took me on purpose so I can sustainably ease myself into this massive back. Giving myself grace, but it's also time. After sleek experience, turns out perhaps my dwindling creativity wasn't just from the move. Perhaps I lost touch with this desire to create and to be creative long before because I was valuing the wrong things. Doing what we know is easy, but doing what we know does not challenge us creatively. Tapping into our inner voice to create something original is something that's innate to all of us. It is what truly matters.